Hey guys, Brian from Variable Traders here. It is Sunday, May 27th. A little bit slow getting this post out. It's a recap of the trade I did in the room on Friday, and it was on GPS. My watch list, as I posted, had GPS and BLNK, which did not work out, but the GPS stock was a good trade, and I know a few other people took it in the room, so I'm happy that other people made money on it as well. So for some reason, it didn't show up on some people's TI scan. I'm not sure why it showed up on mine. And I also knew about it from my sort of pre-market. I read a few of the news feeds just to see what's going on, and I saw that GPS had a pretty horrible earnings report. So it was gapping down on that report. So let's take a look at the setup into that before I talk about the actual opening range breakdown. But you can see here the daily, and one of the reasons I like this trade for an opening range breakdown is if you take a look at this week or so before the earnings report. And by the way, this is exactly why I do not like to hold stocks through earnings reports. Obviously, all of these people up here that bought into this stock went long, thought that this thing was going to gap up like it had in the past. It gapped up here, gapped up here. So I guess they must have thought, well, hey, this thing is going to do another gap up. Well, in this case, they were wrong. And again, that's why I don't like holding through earnings reports, because you just never know which way this thing is going to go. So all these people up here are trapped. Let's get back to the trade. What are they going to do when they see their stocks trading down $3 or $2 or wherever they got in up here? Psychology is going to be for all these people, they're going to just want to get out. And anybody who heard that earnings report probably was second guessing why they'd be holding these shares. But anyway, so there was going to be a lot of selling pressure here, and that's really why one of the reasons I like this trade as setup. This was a great setup. If you compare that to say something that looked like this, and then the earnings report was on here and it was gapping down, well, you've already had a lot of people selling, a lot of sellers. You might have some short sellers in here that would be looking to cover if it gapped down. So that's why I like this kind of a setup on a daily versus, going down here and then gapping down from here. So that was the one thing that I really liked about the GPS setup. And it looked pretty steady pre-market. 3020 was the posted entry that I was going to take on the breakdown, which was, based off this level back here. And yeah, basically it broke down almost right away. It just started to tail off here at the just prior to the pre-market open or the market open, and then it just sold off and then down, 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 down. Yeah, so went all the way down, and yeah, you can see here. I said 2820 was a pretty good target for this, and that was based off this level here, and it actually traded down even just a little below that. But 2850, 2820 was a good target to take on this opening range breakdown at 3020. So anyway, that was the trade du jour on Friday. Like I said, I'm glad some other people took it in the room as well and made some money on it. So anyway, Monday's a holiday. Hope all our American members are having a great long weekend, Memorial Day, and be safe out there, guys. And we'll see you all in the room on Tuesday morning. Bye for now.